Hello, welcome to my channel. Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm going to show you the contents of the page kit, the Mandalorian page kit that I created. Please check out my Etsy shop. The link is below in the description of this video where you can pick up this page kit today. If it's not there for any reason, I may just be out of stock, so feel free to message me and I'll let you know as soon as it comes back available. Okay, so I'm just going to give you just a quick close-up. You can find you can find videos on my YouTube channel of paper piecing all of these images to help you along the way. So if you pick up your page kit and then just turn on my videos, we can sit and put them together. Okay, so what's included in your kit, you're going to receive two 12 by 12 papers, backing papers, and then you will receive two background papers as well. The instructions will show you or give you the measurements for how to trim these down to size. You will receive a sheet of instructions with printed instructions as well as a full photo. The back gives you a close-up of one of the images and some more detailed instructions on putting that together. This one I definitely highly recommend checking out the paper piecing video on how to put them together. I also do the detailing work with a pen and show you exactly what to do. So please check that out if you get one of these kits. You'll receive all of the pieces cut for you just like this. The little baggies contain the smaller pieces, and this is how they come. I used a silver mirror paper for the title and for the Mandalorian silhouette. And here's a smaller one. There he is, super cute. And then of course your photo mats are already pre-cut for you. You just have to glue them down and add your photos. And so there we go, everybody, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see some more videos from me. I'd love to hear your comments. Please leave your comments below if you have any questions. And thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day.